Well, hello everyone. How are you? Hope you're enjoying this beautiful day. I know I am. I was outside for a while, had to come in, cool off a little bit, but not too hot, right? So it's perfect. So product of the week this week is the oven and grill cleaner. Okay. A couple years back, I have a self-cleaning oven, and a couple years back, I decided to run that. Both my kids were small, and I thought, oh gosh, the oven needs to be cleaned. Like, I'm self-clean, right? So I went ahead and I started it, and the house, and I think it goes for like hours, right? Well, the house just started to smell. It smelled so bad, like gas or something was going on, you know. So I started Googling like why the smell is coming from my oven, and it turns out that like while it's cleaning the food, like it's heating that food up so high that it's kind of breaking it down or whatever it's doing in there, some of those that food or whatever happens in the oven can start releasing chemicals like carbon monoxide. I was like, oh my gosh. So I ran around, I started opening everything up, and then after a while I started getting a headache, and I'm like, I just stopped it. I said, oh my gosh, I can't do this. Like, this is terrible, right? Because I know that all the oven cleaners too, they smell really bad and kind of get you choked up a little bit. And so now maybe it was my oven was just that bad. I'm not sure, but it was something else, and I started reading about that carbon monoxide, and I just freaked out. So anyway, Norwex does have a safer solution. All right, it's biodegradable. There's no ammonia, no bleach. Did I say it's biodegradable? I think I did. They're all enzyme-based. All of our cleaners are enzyme-based. So how the enzymes work is they break things down little by little by little until they're totally gone. Okay, and each cleaner has like a different enzyme that works in a different kind of way. So like what I did with my oven, I couldn't really get down there. I can't do it yet because of my ankle. I'm getting better. I'm on the mend, but I like to get down there on my knees and everything would just be terrible right now. So I'll just post some before and after pictures. But what you do is heat up your oven to 100 degrees, and then you're going to open your oven. You're going to turn your oven off, and you can use it on a gas or electric oven. And you can use it on ceramic, stainless steel. It's going to get that baked on food off, any kind of grease, anything. So you're going to heat the oven up. You're going to turn off the oven, and then spray it in there. Let it sit for about 5 minutes. Okay. If you need something with a little scrubby power, I recommend either our Spironet. These little, it's actually made out of stainless steel. Kind of like, you remember those blue SOS things? They have that weird stuff in it, minus the weird stuff. So these are great. You want to put these in a little bit of water though. If you use them dry, they're more likely to scratch the surface. So you want to stick in like a little bowl of water or something, kind of soften it up a little bit. And this has some great scrubby power. Okay, or we have our Spironet. These come, oh sorry, this is the Spironet. This is the Spiri sponge. Okay, it's a sponge, but it's got some rough stuff here, but again, you don't have to worry about this scratching. You can actually use these on pots and pans. They come in a package, so we usually say put one in the kitchen, put one in for like multi-purpose cleaning. This is also great for like cleaning bathtubs and stuff, but anyway, we're talking about grills and ovens today. So this just gives you a little extra scrubby power, okay? So then you go ahead and, get in there and scrub, and then take your damp and viral cloth and just kind of wipe it all down, and you'll be shocked at how nicely it all comes off of there, okay? And with the grill, you want to take the grill grates off, put them on like some newspaper or something, spray those, let them sit about 5 minutes, and then, scrub those a little bit, and then wipe those off also. And the only thing is, it doesn't leave any kind of chemical residue behind or anything, because again, it's not chemicals, but you want to, after you use it, before you put food on the grill, you want to burn at like 200 degrees for at least 10 minutes, okay, if there is any like little residue of anything, but again, it's not harmful. So, alrighty. All right, are we ready to find out who our winner is? And sorry, again, I will be posting later a little bit more details about the oven and grill cleaner and special pricing for this week. Okay, so hold on, let me flip you around. How do I flip around on this? Where's my assistant? Oh, there we go, sorry. All right. Oh, sorry about that. I must have hit my thing. Okay. All right. So here's the wheel. Here's everybody who commented. Again, all you have to do is comment. There's no catch or anything. I'm not gonna like super stalk you or anything. So let's see who it is. Oh, that was so close. Sorry, Amy. Yay, Sue! Excellent. Yay, Sue. Oops, that's my dining room table. Sorry. I don't have my little assistant. She's more tech savvy than I am. So, all right, Sue, I will be getting that out to you. You should be expecting it in the mail. And hope everybody has a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.